Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we are going to be jumping straight into the price of Anker. We see right now a little bit above that 8-cent range. We actually saw a nice increase in the last 24 hours, pushing all the way up to about 9 cents and then kind of coming right back down to that 8 cent like we talked about. So a 0.9% increase in the last 24 hours. Anker has been looking very, very solid with this market increase that we just saw. Obviously with Amazon rumors, a lot of things doing very, very well. A lot of coins, a lot of altcoins, a lot of coins in general, like I said though, are doing very, very well. If we look at the prices across the board, though, we are starting to see some kind of decent downturn for some of these altcoins finally. So a 3.31% decrease. However, Bitcoin's still at 38.5K. So it's still doing very, very well. Ethereum at 2.3K, Cardano at $1.30. Just a lot of coins, like I said, just coming down just a little bit from that huge increase that we saw. Amazon rumors can only do so much, and then we are going to see some kind of backlash from all that hype. So if we jump into the first article of today, it talks a little bit more, as that's actually one of the Twitter posts we are going to look at. Let's jump back here. So this article talks more about where to buy Anker coin in crypto market surges on Amazon interest. So we will be talking about price predictions and where we think Anker is going here in the 2021 year, as well as the end of the bull market at the end of the video. So I will say, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to stay up to date with crypto, obviously including Anker and altcoins as well. So here in the video, we are going to be talking about what this really Amazon interest did to the market, and also talking about Anker specifically. So how and where to buy Anker online. I'm not sure why they call it stock, but they do call it stock here. So eToro, Binance, and they also talk about what is Anker. So this is the big deal, talking about should I buy Anker, because that's what a lot of you guys are probably asking yourselves right now. If you have conducted research and determined this is a project you believe in for the long-term investing now and holding could be a smart move. However, the road to value creation for Anker is unlikely to be straightforward or smooth. The cryptocurrencies in it volatility is likely to make things more unpredictable than any other asset class. So do understand that Anker is one of those that has such great things and ideas behind the project. I think the solutions that they're trying to come up with, the utility that they're providing, is going to be huge for the future of crypto. However, you have to realize it's got to be a project that you truly do believe in, because there is many projects that do end up failing during a bear market. So if you're looking to hold this, for 5 to 10 years, make sure it's something you believe in, making sure it's a project that you think has a long-term future. But I do want to jump into more talk about Anker. So here we have Anker is getting ready to support the Polkadot parachain crowd loans. We've talked about that a lot in the past. That's going to be a very big deal for Anker as we move closer and closer to that date. We also have the Happy Sunday update. So Anker does do an update every Sunday. So we try to make at least one Anker video a week. So if you guys want to, continue to stay up to date with Anker, like I said, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel. We also, realistically, we see, more than one Anker video a week. That's what I was going to kind of really mention there. But, here we see the developer suite for Polygon Live, Kasama Network Developer API Live. We are getting ready to support the Polkadot parachain crowd loans, and you can earn API on your Anker on Binance Earn, and their newsletter is out. So they also are hiring. They've been hiring for some time now, obviously showing that they are continuing to grow and continuing to improve what they have in place. So we also see Anker fully supporting the Polygon Network, full API archive API as well. Obviously, we have the mainnet in Mumbai as well, and then HTTPS and WebSocket endpoints as well. So a lot going on, just a lot of upgrades, a lot of updates continuing to happen and take place with Anker, and that's exactly what our Anker holders definitely want to see. We also see the Anker ETH liquidity pool is live on SushiSwap Farm, and you can take advantage of that now. We also see we have added farther support to Polygon, and we talked about this, like I said, in that last tweet. But, it's great to see Polygon really getting farther support with Anker, because Anker and Polygon definitely two great coins in cryptocurrencies that a lot of people are looking farther into. We also see 60,000 registered users from all over the world on app.anker.com in less than a month. So 10,000 new users have actually registered, and that is quite a bit of users. So we are continuing to see growth in Anker and the coin altogether, and I do want to really kind of make sure everyone understands the utility and really the possibilities that Anker provides to really the cryptocurrency space. So let's jump into the actual website here, Anker.com. We'll quickly go over some of the things that it does. So we also see ETH2 staking solution has launched. This has, been there for a while, so it has launched a while back, but we are continuing to see a lot of people utilize this ETH2 staking solution. But we also see staking nodes. So they talk about really kind of spinning up your own staking nodes and start earning rewards immediately. They talk about developer APIs, so easily build Web3 products with instant API access to major blockchain and DeFi protocols, and then their enterprise solutions. So turnkey infrastructure solutions for cryptocurrency exchanges, staking platforms, data and really analytics, and providers and more. So we also see the 8,000 plus nodes deployed. So this is definitely, like I said, a huge deal for a lot of people jumping in on Anker and taking advantage. So if we jump over to that ETH2 staking solution, just for those of you who have maybe not seen it, if we can actually get there, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to get there. It looks like maybe their site's down for a little bit. Okay, we got there now. But you can actually see all of the really interest in Anker, really StakeFi altogether, and there's great reasons as to why it's so popular. We see MicroPool, they talk about their staking manager, their staking liquidity, and obviously security as well, and how easy it is. So here you can actually just calculate your earnings, or really calculate your future earnings, and you can say let's have 24.5 ETH, which is about $56,000. Your yearly earning would be very close to 3K in ETH in return. So definitely very easy to really contribute to Anker and use StakeFi to your advantage. So let's jump back into that cryptocurrency market right now. Give it a quick refresh. So overall, like I said, a lot of coins just kind of struggling. That had a massive increase. We see Chainlink still about $19.43. Cardano's about $1.29. Just coins kind of floating around this range. We do hope they kind of stabilize right around here, because I do think if we can stabilize and find another push up to maybe 43, 45K by the end of September, that would be a massive push for crypto as a whole. So let's jump back to Anker now. Seeing that we are at a 1.41% increase in the last 24 hours, a lot of people are very excited about Anker and its future, and that's exactly why we're continuing to see this last week of a 40.6% increase. The last month, about a 20% increase. So Anker's been doing very well, while many other altcoins have been struggling, and that's another reason to believe in Anker's future. I will say, like I said, all that utility and solutions that Anker provides to the crypto space makes me believe that by the end of the year, we could see Anker continue to push. I will say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. However, I do believe Anker by the end of the year could easily see pushes close to its previous all-time high, around that 22 to 23 cent price point. I think realistically we see 25 to 30 cents on a conservative price point by the end of this year. By the end of the bull market part 2 in hopefully 2022, I do believe Anker could be pushing closer and closer to $1. But realistically, like I said, conservatively, I like to stay conservative as possible. So about 60 to 85 cents is going to be my price prediction for Anker by the end of bull market part 2. That is going to be my thoughts on where I think Anker is going to move on to. I just want to give you guys a quick update on Anker and what's been going on around Anker altogether through this crypto space. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I would appreciate it if you guys would also follow me on Twitter, as I try to give you guys that most recent up-to-date information every single day. I'll try to start tweeting a little bit more here recently, but that Twitter link is in the description down below. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.